You can find this pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Don't forget center fold. I also cut same size lining. Cut off this part to get the back part. Sew side seams. Overlock the edges. Sew side seams of lining. Iron flat all seams. Sew both layers together. Cut off bulky corners for nicer look. Flip out the dress. Iron. Finish the hem. Sew straps. Measure it to your figure before sewing. Good luck with your project.